Time management during exams can be challenging, but it is crucial to ensure that students can complete their tasks and achieve their academic goals. Here are some strategies that students can use to manage their time effectively during exams. Create a schedule. Develop a detailed schedule that covers the entire exam period. Allocate time for each subject, including time for revision, practice, and breaks. Prioritize tasks. Identify the most important tasks and prioritize them over less important tasks. For example, allocate more time for challenging subjects. Avoid procrastination. Start studying early and set realistic goals. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Take breaks. Take short breaks between study sessions to relax, stretch, or do something you enjoy. This helps prevent burnout and maintain focus. Eliminate distractions. Eliminate or minimize distractions such as social media, phone calls, or TV. Focus on your studies during your scheduled study time. Use study techniques. Use study techniques such as summarizing, mind mapping, or flashcards to help you retain information and study more efficiently.